Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the hinge receiver in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Next, unthread the two screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel and support it to avoid straining the wires. Now unthread the front bracket screws securing the main top. Unthread the two screws underneath the rear corners of the top. Pull the main top back and up to remove, then set it aside. Rotate both oven door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Unthread the two screws securing the element support panel to the left or right side panel, depending on which hinge receiver you're replacing. Next, unthread the three screws to release the stop bracket. Now unthread the 5 remaining screws securing the side panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab at the rear, and you can fully detach the panel. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a number 2 square drive bit to unthread the mounting screws to release the old hinge receiver. Install the new hinge receiver by aligning it on the frame, then thread and tighten the mounting screws. Reinstall the side panel by aligning the frame tabs with the slots on the front of the panel, then snap the panel into position. Secure it with the screws. Realign the stop bracket and thread the screws to hold it in place. Replace the screws securing the element support panel to the side panel. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. Reposition the main top by sliding the rear edge under the lip of the element's support panel, then lower the front edge. Replace all of the screws to secure. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover, then thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.